Salut pour tous, et soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Eder Zanetti. We are talking about the new regulated carbon markets. We have a new regulated carbon market in Brazil. We have a new regulated carbon market at the UNFCCC. And we already know we have methodologies, we have standardized baselines, and we have methodological tools in order to develop project activities which will attract funding from carbon credits. And I started developing the issue or the team of different technologies. We talk about 5, 6 technologies which are the most attractive in developing countries in order to pursue those procedures from the carbon credits. And the first one we were talking about is replacing cement and iron in construction by timber. The production chain of cement and iron involves, digging a hole, transporting rocks to a factory, and then turning these rocks into cement or into iron or steel. And all of this process involve generating carbon emissions. So for each cubic meter you have of cement or iron or steel, you will have 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 2 tons of CO2 which gets emitted to produce this ton of steel and cement. On the other hand, if you have wood is made out of trees. So trees, they remove the CO2 from the atmosphere and incorporate it into their biomass. So when you have timber in construction, you have carbon stored in your construction. For each ton, for each cubic meter of cement and iron that you avoid to use, you save 2 tons of CO2. For each cubic meter of wood that you put in construction, instead of those, you have 1 cubic meter stored of carbon. So the whole gain you have, it will be 3 tons of CO2 per each cubic meter of cement and iron that you replace on the construction sector. So you will have the gain of the avoided emissions from the cement and iron industry, and you have the gain of carbon by promoting the cultivation of forest. So it's a gain-gain situation. And of course, this production chain generates thousands of jobs and increased income on our countries. So that is the most feasible alternative for tropical countries to invest more on production and use of tropical timber. That God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Eder Zanetti for tous les amis africains.